there are powerful invisible forces that are constantly working our lives, things we often take for granted, such as radiation, gravity, electromagnetism. But we also have to include human emotion on the list of forces that shape us. Love, fear, gratitude are just a few emotions that uniquely and powerfully impact life as much as anything else on the planet. I believe that the discoveries in this book can change our understandings of how we store emotional experiences, and in so doing, change our lives.